Meaning of eeriness.
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 Eeriness. Eeriness refers to a feeling of strangeness or disquiet caused by something that is inexplicable or seemingly supernatural. It is a sense of uncanny unease that often arises in unfamiliar or unsettling situations. This feeling can be triggered by various factors, such as weird sounds, eerie atmospheres, or strange occurrences. The result of eeriness is a restless and unsettling sensation that can be hard to shake off, leaving people feeling on edge and uncomfortable. It is often accompanied by feelings of anxiety, fear, or uneasiness.